Hey YouTube, I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but I'm back here today unboxing these Skullcandy Hesh headphones. They retail for $50, but right now they're on sale for $28.99 at Best Buy. I went to the store and got mine, but it's also an internet deal. So let's dive right in. It's pretty hard to get into these packages. Alright, so we have the top part of the package, Skullcandy. Let's open it up. Nothing is in there at all. Completely empty. That's going in the recycling bin. Oh, mind you, that only the black ones are only on sale for $28.99, so that's why I got the dull black ones. Next, you get this Skullcandy sticker, and on the back it says blah 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 Urban Assault. Tag the sticker somewhere cool, send us a picture, and we might send you something. That's pretty cool. I may do that. I have a good idea. And there you go. Alright, so now we have the headphones and this. So you pull it out, you get the headphones and this box thing. Open up the box, pull these tabs out. You get this neat little carrying pouch with a skull on this side. I'm not sure if my camera picks that up. Maybe you can see the outline of it, and a skull on this side. That's pretty cool to include. And here are the headphones right here. They don't feel cheap. Like the sound, I can't even hear myself talk right now. I may be talking a little loud. And here's the cloth cable. Boom. What? Make the video. Make the video. Why? Wait, stop talking. I'm doing something. Inside they have right and left, so this is right. I don't have my iPod open right now, so I'm gonna plug it into my phone. Nice cloth cable. So this is what I have to say. It's real loud. But enough of that. The top of this is actually quite padded, as well as the earmuff things. I don't know what they're called. It's kind of uncomfortable and tight around your neck. But alright.